If I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. That's what they
Bomba! That is
say.
it! Bra, bra, bra,
Na, 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 na,
bra!
na, 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 na,
Whoa!
I'm
Goosebump, take
reaching
me!
for
Oh my
riches and
God! Oh my
life.
days!
There's nothing you can't do.
I was
Congratulations!
one of the young end up on the plane and come. My daughter them are watching for the live.
Oh my
It's
God!
just to
All the
make you
world.
feel
Watch pretty house.
proud. Bright lights
My
will
doctor them are watching
Oh
for
shine
my
their
on
God!
son.
the
The
skin.
little shop.
New
Oh my days!
York, New York, New York. Why? My auntie congrats. My auntie congrats. The one and only DMG. Congrats, my sorry say. Me and Agnes herself never did if you knock some pot cover, make them say, oh, Jamaican people celebrate. Just I tear down the pot cover them so and draw more crowd out at Times Square. There's some love. Everybody can knock pot cover and dance and sing and rejoice. Auntie, I want DMG. Oh, and DMG to the flipping world. Ubex. Ubex! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Shane. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, honna do, how things are life. Everybody good? Alright, bless up on yourself. Well, as for me, me still not arty yet, my love. Me still not good yet because guess what? More bad news. Still no electricity, no water, no nothing. Yeah, I have a little wholesale when I run pan the side and I basically, have to empty out everything out of the fridge, out of the freezer, get where my liquor them, juice, meat, dairy products, seasonings, everything. My love, everything. Me have to just give them because my nana supply with ice. But did I get like ice could have gone, put pan them for maintain it for a couple of days. But guess what now? Because water scarce. So I can't get them my eyes full of, so I have to just shut me eye and give them way and say, you know what? The Lord will make a way because he always does. You understand me, my loves? Yeah. Even with the same water, that are the spring water them where you buy from the place, the big old jug them, yes, my love. You see, if you're not customer, if you're not good customer, you can't get none, my love. You have to go also your own source of water. You can't get none. Well, thank God me a customer at one place. So you know, say, me get supply this, so but you know that can do much that are basically for drinking purpose, cooking purpose, and so yeah, I'm gonna have one tank, one concrete tank in the yard, my loves. Run in my backyard whenever time I touch pan, there's somebody boy put them in the community, them come clean it out and full up him and swim in there. It's no longer a tank, a pool. So that the water now we can use it for like washing purpose, cleaning purpose, clean bathroom, flush bathroom. And so yes, my love, we're gone back to them days there when there's no civilization. Yeah, but guess what? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. May I give thanks and praise because guess what? It could be worse. As long as there is life, there is still hope. No lives lost. We're still not good health. Yes, that's the greatest thing. So yes, now my love, make we talk now, make we talk about, make we talk about the Billboard, make we talk about Club Amazura, make we talk about Times Square, New York, make we talk about Ritz-Carlton Hotel, make we talk about, make we talk now, man, make we talk, because guess what, guess what, I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night feeling. Ooh. From the ghetto to the billboard in the concrete jungle in the city that never sleeps. Auntie, we don't care what nobody wants to say. We don't care what nobody wants to say. We are going to celebrate you. All of we call we frightened, all of we call we fool. Yes, we're proud of our frightenness and we're proud of our foolness. We have things to frighten about. We have things to frighten about. I like someone with on a blue book. On a blue book. Come out here and show off every day about on a blue book and that's all y'all guys got. The blue book when I can't no God nowhere. The blue book when I do nothing food, I don't can't carry the blue book go supermarket, go say I have a blue book, I need food. Or no can't carry gonna wake up pay bills, I say I have a blue book. Somehow know the blue book shame I know. Somehow no the blue book shame I no. The blue book embarrassed when you no take it out anywhere. Ono they are foreign 20, 30 and 40 years and not even look no look like foreigner. Much less we have nothing for sure. It's like ono they are foreigner squat. Ono are squatters. Right now, better if someone know in a ghetto, you know. Cause when you walk in a some ghetto, you're Jamaica, you wonder if a housing scheme, you know. The big pretty mansion them way in a ghetto. So somehow we better know in a ghetto, massa. I don't still even look worse than the ghetto. Can't no fit in a ghetto neither. Ghetto a proper class a place nowadays, you know. You no think ghetto a like them place that them all matches box, board up zinc fence place there again. I lie on hotel pan ghetto look like a any uptown community right about now. Some big house when I ghetto these days don't even the uptown. So me now go introduce you to no ghetto, cause you no fit in a ghetto. Yeah. Yes, big up yourself, lady. Big up Donna go. Big up Donna go. You are one Donna go. We say one DMG to the Philippine universe. Yeah, from Rockstone and roadside and bar stool to the throne. The queen shall reign. Up this after we anti that up this hang up on Billboard. Yes, my love for the world to see. Our head teacher came. Big up for the graphics, my love. Big up your nice, clean self. Right, this so love and unity and togetherness. We say no bad mind, no jealous, no envious, where all of that I go over here. So we celebrate each other. So yes, my love, all roads lead to Club Amazura later. Una ready? Una ready? Tonight, now go good again. All who can be there physically will be there spiritually, heart and soul. So big foreign now go good again. Yeah, and the haters, them I go sit on one side and give with a bombastic side, yeah. Haters on the move. Haters on the move. Excuse we. Move out of the way and the attention phone right about now. The focus is not part, oh no. We're celebrating. The lady come up a foreign in a style. She don't even have a green card yet. I should come up there and get proper acknowledgement. Welcome. Proper welcoming of the people them place. How do you feel? How do you feel? We don't talk the honest truth. For once in our life, but honest, how do you feel? You no shame though. You no shame. I know someone who no shame can walk on it and down no foot bottom, but bad to bad, you no feel some kind of way. You no feel some kind of way. You no look foolish. You no look stupid. The all I know one bungalow jackass. The only thing I want to run with the rope. And the rope forgot tie out in a meadows, make on name grass. I tie out in a sun deserted stony area, make on find something for pick pan. So till when I no look on a rib cage stand up in a no side like a leather. Yeah, I don't feel away. I don't feel away on the earth. If you don't like what I see, if you don't like what I see, you go chuck off somewhere deep. Chuck off for that sun deep water with couple black tire and pound. And then we can celebrate and say good riddance. Yes, my love. We gonna celebrate and have a good time. You know, my love, so moving on now. Make we talk about same ways of TV. And all I wanna don't know who the behind the same ways of TV channel. The woman were out here with bad mind and feed pan her heart like a fungus. Yes, but they are children, so you know she take it to the same way as a TV platform. She not use her business page. She not use the cake page. Yes, she come on the same way as a TV channel and she talk up a bag of things about the billboard. And the caption were written under the pictures them. Because now according to she, is that Lady D is taking all of the glory and the planka doing as them now get none. Well, woman, you see, if your head never stuck up so far up in your asshole, you would understand. But through your mind shallow and hollow like a dry coconut, you can't comprehend. So she move on now and continue on for talk about the Ritz-Carlton Hotel because according to she, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel is not the most expensive hotel into the US of the A foreign. So the precious time where she if you take go do some self-care, look after her mouth, we plaque gingivitis and maggots and you have to hold her gum line. And the rotten teeth them where people out her mouth kinda like a rose can. She have that the precious time then no beloved a waste of her mind for than her business so that she can go take for her thing and go on Google go ask Google which is the most expensive hotel into the US of the A foreign and according to she Google not tell her that you understand she went again for research how much per night at the Ritz-Carlton hotel and she put up 700 and something for the cheapest room. So Adam, there's something that she a waste for her precious time for the meanwhile she a rat and slowly deteriorate. Me not lying, this is a new level of obsession. This is a new level of obsession. Then I go send someone who got early grave. Then I go send someone who 6'6" watch. And she now go do it literally or physically or uno do it to no self. Uno attach her own self. She also take it upon herself now. Go research how to go up on Billboard in a Times Square, New York. At this same moment here, you find it fit to go research how to go up there. You can't go up there too, you know. You can't go up there too. All you need to do is get one crane or something, put you up there, you turn up there and swing and drop off and pop you behind somewhere. So we have one less haters to deal with out here. Do we a favor and do that? A whole heap of tall building out there, climb on one of them and go up there and just go up there, go chuck off. Yes, you will make headlines. You will make headlines. Yes, you go on Billboard. To all of the people that we are go on Billboard up there, you never have no interest. You go research it. But as Donna up there at the time, you know, you take yourself, go research and I come out, but oh, you have to pay money for this, you have to pay money for that. Well, despite whatever you say, you up there all these years with your blue book and you never go on it. You not get no acknowledgement, no recognition up there, so nobody no see it fit. They put you up there, nobody knows you. Oh, no, see the support where the lady I get. People are fly out from all kind of crevice and corner left, right, and center for come the call support her. Yet to no say she a nobody. What the supporters them now know them there's something they phone. Them would even go as far as fi touch a like button. Or fi share out to no business. The only time when no get little views I want to come and call lady the name. If you don't come and talk about yourself or talk about anything pertaining to one who do any other little business, I not that soul fat pa no. It's sad, it's sad. All you must feel like a load of shh. You never accept it the moment when lady did wave the white flag. You'd have better off, you know, mama. You'd have better off, me not lie. You would not hear buffin and a bounce all about so. No little no men's for you. No little no men's. You putting pads, them would have gone with themselves. Them would have sell. Business would have boom. But jealousy a feed by you. But jealousy a feed by you like a chichi. You're not growing. You're not expanding. You're stationary. You're not moving. From your claims that you have a successful business, till now, you're still there at the starting point. You're not go forward. You're not go back. You're stuck. You're still stuck at the one cocoa full basket level and the basket not moving. And bad to bad, you know, it could have better, you know. It could have better. But guess what? You invest your time in the wrong places. You waste your lady who clearly are grow and expand. And I move at lightning speed when it come to our business them. Look pan good Miss Lottie and look pan Chris. Because them focus on them business. Them a grow and them a go forward. Them a elevate. While you are stay they remain in the same position until God call you home to go meet your maker. In be a lady? No man. Look like life have you away, my love. Life have you away. Life not like you. Life don't like you. The amount of head lick where life give you, the amount of buffin where life give you, all of your brain cell, then chaka all about the place. You can't even focus. You don't know if you're coming or going, leaving or staying. If you have a good man will soon touch 50, you have to do better, do. You have to do better, man. You have to do better. Nobody make God call you home, so you come here and hurt empty-handed and you're leaving back same way. Not that you can't carry anything with you when God call you home, but at least, man, you should have left something out here so the picnic and the grandpicnic them can inherit. The only thing you name depend are your birth paper and the blue book. Eh? Just the birth paper and the blue book, nothing else, mama. It's sad, man. It's sad. And the memories we are going to left back out here now what when nobody will remember. In other cases, people would have said gone but not forgotten. But in your case, it go say gone, rotten and forgotten. No man, this no look good. Gone, rotten and forgotten. It no look good. It no look good. Anyways, my loves, anyways. You know, me have to go start, get ready now because no say as no quit night come down, don't it, and as soon 7 o'clock. Yes, my dear children. What time me I do that video about 10 in the morning now after 10 now, but you know because I did like a Wi-Fi and data, so probably you not go upload until later. Yes, but me I go start get ready for now because me want reach early so me can do up front. I don't want to run back when me have to go watch no screen and I stretch up all both of our people head. I look like a pancoot or a giraffe. You understand? I want them right up to the front there so I can touch the stairs. Yes, and touch everybody's foot when they pan the stairs. Yes, and then can see me and hug this and self right pan the front seat there. So yes, my love. Anyways, now my dear children, on pick up on yourself. Do enjoy the rest of the day. See you all in another video. Peace out. Much love, much respect. Stay safe. Have a good one later. Bye bye.